So after like a month of hibernation,
we are back.
now time to get back to work on reassembling that thing. All right, so first things, Nick's gonna paint the spacers for the wheels, just so they don't look like rusty junk.
So, I bought Nico a car.
Let's see this. My dream car. FD3S RX-7. That's what's up.
Japan. All in Japanese. All
Perfect.
authentic.
So we can't read the instructions. Not that we will read them anyway.
Exactly. And
What'd you get?
live, bled, yeah.
Ooh.
LB walks. Dude, I want that body kit so fucking bad. And then
Another FD. Oh man. All right, this
had to.
Yeah, I mean, why not?
Had to. Like literally.
In Japanese newspapers.
Literally.
What?
Let us know what's happening over there. Want it? No.
Unboxing of JDM toys. Okay, that's a decent amount of pieces.
Should be.
It's gonna be many hours of tweezers and super glue.
Damn, son. Let's still put it on my bike. That looks way much better
More comfortable.
and way more comfortable than what the fuck we had.
Tomorrow then. See you tomorrow.
Until then.
Alright. Paint's dry, so now it's time to put this thing back together, and hopefully the glue is dry on the seat.
Nah, if this blows up, I'm buying what's his name's. Yeah, you did.
Yeah, listen to that.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Finally putting the new brake to work, making some brackets for, where are they? That hold the new fuel tanks, which are going to be made out of those. Well, that's the plan. I don't know if it's going to work yet or not, but we're going to try. So for now though, I need to make a second bracket the same as this because this fits pretty nice. And yeah. Oh, right? That one's nice. I like that. I think that a little bit without bending them out of whack, but just to see if it.
Like it'll
any
take
kind of strength
something.
in it, yeah.
Logically thinking.
Not me.
Mm-hmm.
Ready? We're gonna do this with more energy this time. Ready? What? Where the hell are you looking? What's up, YouTube connoisseurs?
What's going on?
The hype is here. All right, so it's been like
I'm gonna shotgun this.
yeah. So
No.
we're gonna try one more time to turn these monster cans into fuel tanks because brazing them last time did not work. I ended up just melting the can.
Well, it kind of worked, but if we had the right
Almost.
tools, it
Almost.
would have worked. So,
Now we have the right tools. JB Wild fixes everything.
Jamie
So,
Will,
uh,
duct tape, zip ties.
But we gotta empty these out. So Nick's gonna chug them, and then we'll start working.
This is gonna be really, really cold.
Well, it kept developing pinholes because I was heating it on this end to stick it to the tank, and it was melting over here because aluminum transfers heat really well, and it was making pinholes where I didn't want them, so I had to redo it. But now we're gluing it; it should be fine. Dude, take her for a rip. The monster can't start working. She's quick. I'm shaking. That was fast.
She's working because she's going uphill. But yo, that Nico, you did a good job. That came out really, really well. That I was ripping it on the fucking road. Here he comes, here he comes. The brakes are a little sketchy. Way faster.
We need better brakes.
Yeah, I just said that.
They don't do a lot.
Oh my God. Ripper. Absolute ripper. Oh my Jesus. So,
You can stick a fork in it.
mission successful.
It's done.
We have a ripper mini bike.
I think the monster cans made it faster.
Definitely added horsepower.
It definitely shot bigger flames.
Oh no, it did. You'll see. That was wild.
So I guess we can finally mark one project completely done.
Done.
First one. So
On
far.
to the next. On to
exactly.
the next.
That's the 3 horsepower. We got the 8 horsepower hiding somewhere back there lurking.
Ooh, that one is gonna be able to have a bag though. I was gonna say bags, but
Just one.
it's just gonna be one little one. Just pss, pss.
And a little bit more rake on the front end so it's not so, like the steering's so
Yeah,
twitchy.
it was. I did not expect it to get up there. Once I like made the
I
turn
caught 4th gear.
and then on the intersection, I was like, "Oh man, dude, there's a truck behind us. I'm gonna just be putting," and you just kept going.
You were probably speeding.
That was.
For that road, you were probably speeding.
I was.
Sorry, we weren't on public roads. We were in Mexico.
Yeah, nah. We're foreign country.